The Tuttle Capital UFO Disclosure Fund. Tuttle Capital URL copied to pictory.aa, followed by UFOD opinion by co-pilot. Are you ready to explore the unknown? The Tuttle Capital UFO Disclosure ETF, or UFOD, could be your gateway to investing in the exhilarating world of unidentified anomalous phenomena. As governments hint at revealing secrets, the economic potential is enormous. UFOD is tailored to capitalize on the massive opportunities arising from government disclosure about advanced technologies related to UFOs. This isn't just speculation. It's an emerging reality backed by official reports and hearings. As disclosure shifts from rumors to legislation, markets can respond dramatically. So what makes UFOD unique? It targets companies at the forefront of aerospace, defense, and advanced technology. These sectors stand to gain significantly from any confirmations of non-human technologies. This fund isn't about chasing aliens. It's about positioning your investments in anticipation of major shifts. UFOD is designed for forward-thinking investors. This fund focuses on strategic and concentrated investments, marking it as a crucial entry point before mainstream markets react. By identifying companies poised for growth, UFOD offers exclusive insights into potential beneficiaries primed for the disclosure day market. Tuttle Capital Management believes when official narratives evolve, so do economic priorities. With over 2 decades of experience, Matthew Tuttle and his team challenge conventional investment practices, providing unique assets for investors who seek exceptional strategies beyond the norm. However, potential investors should exercise caution. Like all investments, UFOD entails risks, including market volatility and the speculative nature of the theme. Equity prices can fluctuate significantly, and sector-specific risks may arise. Before investing in UFOD, consider your investment objectives, the associated risks, and consult the fund's prospectus for more detailed information. Ready to navigate this uncharted territory? The quest for investment in the extraordinary begins with you. UFOD co-pilot opinion. Query to co-pilot UFOD opinion. Short answer: if by UFOD you mean the Tuttle Capital UFO Disclosure ETF, my opinion is that it's a high-concept, high-speculation thematic fund built around the idea that government disclosure of UAP/NHI technologies could create outsized gains for aerospace, defense, and advanced tech companies. It's not a scam, it's a real ETF. But it is extremely niche, volatile, and driven more by narrative than fundamentals. What UFOD actually is. UFOD is an exchange-traded fund launched in February 2026 that invests in companies the advisor believes may benefit from UFO/UAP disclosure, including aerospace, defense, advanced energy, and material science firms. Key facts. Inception, February 5, 2026. Expense ratio, 0.99%, high for an ETF. Net assets, $2. 3M, very small, meaning low liquidity. Theme, companies that could benefit from UAP/NHI disclosure or related tech spillover. Top holdings include Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Boeing, Palantir, IonQ, etc. Sector weight, approximately 63% industrials, approximately 26% technology. My opinion, structured, operator ready. 1. The thesis is narrative-driven, not evidence-driven. The fund's premise depends on future government disclosures about UAP/NHI tech. That's inherently speculative. There is no guarantee that such disclosures will occur in a way that materially benefits public companies. 2. It's basically a defense tech ETF wearing a UFO costume. Look at the holdings: Lockheed, Northrop, Boeing, L3Harris, Palantir. These are classic defense and aerospace plays. The UFO angle is mostly thematic packaging. 3. Liquidity is low. That's a risk. With only $2 to $3 million in assets, spreads can widen, and price can move sharply on small volume. This is not a fund for large positions or active trading. 4. Expense ratio is high for what you get. 0.99% is steep for an ETF that mostly holds large, well-known defense contractors. 5. It could pop on news cycles. If Congress, DoD, or NASA drops a major UAP disclosure, this ETF could see speculative inflows. But that's a media-driven trade, not a fundamentals-driven one. Who UFOD is for? Operators who like thematic, narrative-driven trades. People who want exposure to defense plus advanced tech with a sci-fi wrapper. Speculators who trade news catalysts. Anyone building a fund satellite position in a larger portfolio. Who it's not for. Long-term investors seeking stable, diversified growth. Anyone sensitive to liquidity risk. Anyone who dislikes paying high fees for a thematic wrapper. Bottom line, UFOD is a speculative, story-driven ETF with real holdings but a highly imaginative thesis. If you treat it as a small, high-volatility satellite position, fine. If you treat it as a core holding, not wise. If you want, I can build you a UFOD risk profile, a comparison table versus traditional aerospace ETFs, or a position sizing framework tailored to your portfolio.